Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. In keeping our teens in mind, here's another concept for the teens. And this one I paired the DeBella hair barrettes with the body scrub. So we have our Skittles body scrub in the purple. We have our Cocoa Crispy Treats in the brown and our Fruity Pebbles. So Cocoa Pebbles, Fruity Pebbles, and Skittles body wash paired with the DeBella hair barrettes that I got from CVS. And this makes a cute little teen gift that is a grab and go and will fit perfectly in those Christmas stockings. I think that these gifts are cute and are definitely gifts that are grab and go, inexpensive, and any teenager would love. So for our young teens, let's keep them in mind. And as I try to create gifts with them in mind, you all tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.